students, good morning. This is your Ravi sir. Welcome to my maths class. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2 question number 2. See figure 3.14 and write the following. See student, this is figure number 3.14. With the help of this given figure, here some questions have been asked. We have to give the answer with the help of the given figure. See, first question, the coordinates of B. The coordinates of B. First of all, I will explain you. This is the horizontal line. This is x-axis. This is a vertical line, y-axis. Both are perpendicular to each other, and where they are intersecting, the intersecting point is called origin. This is called origin. Here origin we will take as 0, number 0, and towards right side of the 0 positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, towards left side of 0 negative numbers -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, like this. In the same way, vertical line upward positive numbers and downwards negative numbers. So here it is asking coordinates of B. So first of all you have to find where B is. See, alphabet B here. So coordinates of B. So always whenever you are going to write coordinates of any point, so first of all you should write first of all x coordinate, then you should write y coordinate. So x coordinate means you have to see this x axis. So this is the -5. Okay student, -5, and then after that you should see y. See this line. First of all you have to see x, then after see y. See y is +2. So the coordinates of B is -5, 2. Okay student. Now question number 2, the coordinates of C. So find C, where C is. See here C is. So first of all you should write x. So x means you should see this line. Okay, so what is the number here? 5. Then after that you should see -5 y axis. Okay, this line and then after this line. First of all x, then after y. Next, the point, identify the coordinates of -3 -5. See student, this time the question is asking, the way of asking question is different. This time both the coordinates are given. X is x -3 and y -5. So -3, first of all you search -3, x, this is the x -3, and y -5. -5 means this one, -3 and -5. See, with the help of scale, this is -3 and this is -5. So here it is, point is given. What is the name of this point? It is E, na? So you should write here, answer of this question is point E, and the coordinates of B -5, 2. These are the answer I am writing over here. The coordinates of C 5, -5. Okay student, now you see the point identified by the coordinates 2 and -4. 2, first of all you should see 2, x, na? X is positive. When it is positive you should see here, then x negative you should see x dashed direction. So 2 and y -4. So 2 -4, 2 and -4. What is the name of this point? G, na? So you should give the answer point G. Now the abscissa of the point D. So abscissa means x coordinate. Okay, so where D is D here. So abscissa means you should write only x coordinate, and abscissa का मतलब होता है x coordinate बतानी है. तो x coordinate क्या है स्टूडेंट? D का x क्या है? 6. Only answer is 6. Sir, आपने ये क्यों नहीं लिखा? Why you have not written 2? Because it is asked only the abscissa. That's why you should write the abscissa of point D is C. Okay. Next, the ordinate of the point H. Where is H? Here the H. Ordinate means y coordinate. h का y कोऑर्डिनेट बताना है। तो देखो ये x है और ये y है, तो y का क्या है -3। आंसर इज -3। नेक्स्ट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट L, where is L? Here. So L is on the line only, OY, on ray OY na. So L here means x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5. When a point lie on ray OY, it means, so here the x coordinate always 0 and y coordinate, here the point L is located on number 5. See 0, 5. Okay. Next the coordinates of the point M. M is here. Okay. So M -3 and see -3 and y is 0 because it is lies on the ray OX dash. That's why -3, 0. Okay students.